Hi everyone, I'm from SK Engineering Limited. Welcome to this demonstration of the Spectrum Pipelines suite of software. Spectrum Pipelines is a set of modules of design and integrity calculations for onshore and subsea pipelines. The software suite comprises 13 different modules, and each module is dedicated to different aspects of pipeline design. Today, I would like to give you a tour of the hydrogen-induced stress cracking module, which is used for the assessment of the susceptibility to hydrogen-induced stress cracking of subsea pipelines fabricated from duplex or super duplex stainless steel in accordance with DNV-GL RP F112. The module is activated by double-clicking the application file, which loads all of the software features. The graphic user interface has a very simple and user-friendly layout, which assists users with entering the input data on screen. The user interface is divided into two screens, the input screen and the results screen. Input data includes the line pipe parameters such as the outside diameter, wall thickness, outside diameter tolerance, wall thickness tolerance, bend thinning, and corrosion and erosion allowance. Pipeline material parameters are then entered, including the specific minimum yield strength, thermal derating of specified minimum yield strength, and austenitic spacing, which is either fine or coarse. For the assessment of a pipe bend, the bend thinning is also required. We then insert process parameters, such as pipeline internal pressure, the reference elevation for the internal pressure, and the water depth at which the stress cracking check needs to be performed. Fluid temperature and contents density need to be specified, followed by the distance between the maximum bending moment and the adjacent weld. Finally, the user enters the effective axial force and the resultant bending moment. Once the input data has been inserted and the user hits the Calculate button, the software solver calculates for the required parameters and outputs the results on screen. The results screen is divided into four sections. They display the utilization ratios for the general membrane stress in the principal direction, the equivalent membrane stress, the membrane plus bending stress in the principal direction on the outer surface, and finally the equivalent membrane plus bending stress calculated in the principal direction. A PDF results file can be created and saved locally, which contains a summary of the input parameters and the results of the stress cracking assessment. Each project case can be saved and reloaded for editing in the future. Thanks for watching this demonstration of the Spectrum Pipelines hydrogen-induced stress cracking module. For demonstration videos of other modules, please get in touch with us at info@engineeringsk.com or enquiries@z-subsea.com. Spectrum Pipelines, making pipeline design and integrity smarter.